Okay, so I'll try out these super pull string grenades from Big. These are a little interesting. These are decently sized smoke grenades, and they're all pull string, so no lighter needed for these. It's gonna be a little interesting to do this on camera. Bear with your shakiness. We got a blue going. Ooh, I got a little burn on me. Those things are spitting. That's a big blue. Oh. Nice. All right, next, red. Well, it's like barely coming out. There it goes. Sort of. There it goes. Look at the little engine that could. Woo. Red is definitely pink. Definitely pink. Very thick. It'd be good for like camo games, paintball games. Look at this nice thick cloud above me. Whew. Still spitting. Okay. What says you to a little green? Oh, wow, that's not easy to do one-handed. God. Look how thick that's coming out of there. Like a little fountain show. Look at that, it's erupting. There's like no wind. Look at that, it's like... Oh, I feel a little gust. Nature must have heard me. The red is still over there, and green's here, and blue's way back there. They're looking like the colors of the rainbow out here. Alright, let's go orange. Come on, get in the hole. Ring it. Nice little peach orange. It's almost looking red on camera, but it is orange. Very thick. What does it spew? Definitely don't hold those in your hand, and be mindful if you're going to use those in paintballs. Don't throw them into a wildfire area onto someone. The burns you would get from that. But it is a thick smoke. Can't even see behind it. I like those. I don't like the clay smoke balls. Those are bad, but definitely get those. I think they were $25 with the 50%, and then with my discount I got them for about, I think it was like 18 for the pack. Still a little pricey, but they're decent for a pull pin that lasts 60 seconds. That's not bad. I got 5 of them. Alright. Purple. Ooh. Joker purple. This is a quiet one compared to that green one. The green one was spitting. This one is just smoldering in there. Nice little smoke. Nice quiet one. Okay, you can end at any time now. I think it's there it goes. Wow, that one really went. Alrighty. I might get in trouble for this one. I got something really special for you. This is a Nola Gale EG18 pull pin smoke. This one is going to really emit some smoke. Hardcore and a lot. Now that's purple. And now it's really ramping. As I can tell you before, this one is going to emit a lot of purple smoke. And I mean a lot. So thick. So beautiful. Every color's like that when they're thick. And this thing I think is the 60-second one. It's just a blanket cloud. It's darkness in there. It's nighttime. You can't even see. Look at that. You can't even see through it. Oh, I hope I don't get in trouble for that one. It's so much better than a firework. You know, Gale. Oh gosh, it's insane. Those are insane. Alrighty, so I'm going to do a little comparison here. I'm not doing a side by side. That's going to be a lot of smoke, and we've already done that. So I've got the red, white, and blue. I know it's backwards. I don't know why it's blue, white, red. Anyway, red, white, and blue from Miracle Fireworks. I'm going to spin this around. So I'm pretty certain it was red, white, blue smoke at the same time. And then once that one's done, we will switch over to the Patriot smoke, 3-color smoke by Fire Factory, that basically does the same thing instead of Miracle, how they have it to where you light it in the center here. Get in that hole. Light it in the center there, and it fast fuses to it. Fire Factory's hits over here, so I'm very curious to see how that works. Anyway, we're gonna do the Miracle Fireworks first. Might want to back up. Yeah, red, white, and blue. Patriotic. I like this one. I really like this one. It's a nice smoke candle from Miracle. Has a nice, decent duration too. Alright, so red's out. White's still going, blue's still going. Looks like blue's starting to fade, and there goes white. Not bad. Red, white, and blue patriotic fire, candle from, well, I'm sorry, USA Smoke from Miracle Fireworks. I need to get the names right. So alright, so we're going to switch over to the Patriot 3-color smoke from Fire Factory. Alrighty, same concept. Well, a side-by-side comparison, I don't know, I'm definitely liking that Fire Factory one a little bit more now. Whoa, we got some fire going over here. That was cool. So yeah, just like the USA Smoke, red finished first. Blue is still going. I like that fire effect. It was kind of like, you know, Fire Factory, fire stick. Anyway, that was a good comparison video.